Hi, welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine. It's March in the UK. Some people will tell you it's already too late to start sowing. Some people will tell you it's perfect to start sowing. Some people will tell you to wait. But I'm going to get going. Here in the UK, and I know it's not just applicable to the UK, but the weather's still unpredictable. Obviously, I've got a greenhouse, I've got raised beds, so I can test things in the greenhouse versus outside. So that's what I'm going to do this week. So what is it that I'm going to sow this week? Or in March, I should say. So I'm going to do some lettuce, various ones, Arctic King, Little Gem. I'm going to do some peas. I'm going to do some kale. I'm going to do some perpetual spinach. I'm going to do some radishes. I'm going to do some sweet corn. And then I'm also going to do some tomatoes. So let's get into it. So you might think, what have I got a drain pipe here for? That's what I'm going to be sowing my peas in. I've done it before and it worked well. It means when you want to put it outside, you just lie it in the bed, tip it up and pull it back, and voila, you've got a nice straight row of peas. So we'll put some peas in. I'll put them in groups of threes. And for me, peas are a great crop to sow now because they tolerate the cold, they germinate quickly, and I'll be able to get them out pretty soon. Three, just push them down. Cool. And I'll finish the whole drain pipe off like that. So one thing I wanted to call out was obviously the power of YouTube, comments, likes, all of that good stuff. So I've been following, well, I follow quite a few gardening channels, but I follow A Life in the Garden, James, and he has massive allotment, loads of flowers. And I was just seeing in the comments that I don't really do flowers that much. I'll do marigolds. I was just seeing the videos of James's allotment. I'm thinking, oh, look at all those flowers, look really good. Get the bees in, pollinators. And we're just chatting in the comments, and he's kindly sent us a ton of flower seeds. So I'm also going to be getting those in the ground over the next couple of weeks. And he also did send us his book. So anyone who's wanting to get into gardening, learn different techniques, what you need to plant when, and all that good stuff, he's got a complete allotment guide there. So I'll put a link to his channel on here. I follow him all the time. Really good videos. So cheers, James. Thanks very much. So a nice bit of potting mix. Got a bit of perlite in it. Bit of koi. Bit of general purpose compost, but I've sieved it. Just that helps the seeds. I'll get these filled up and then we'll start sowing. So the first one I'm going to go with is the sweet corn. There you go. Goldcrest F1. The family all love sweet corn, so we'll grow as much of this as possible. I'm going to put one in each one and give them water. Okay, so they're all in. I'll give them a quick water. Now we'll do the next one. So next up, I've got a brand new tray of new pots with a potting mix in. So I'm going to do lettuce. So Arctic King and Little Gem. We'll get those in. And with the lettuce, I'll sprinkle some, I don't know, 5 or 6, probably more like 8 on the top. I'll also do the Little Gems, and then I'll do the same in April with the lettuce, plant some more, so we've got succession cropping. You're not having to go to the shops and buy lettuce at all. So lettuce is one of the fastest growing sort of veg from seed. So yeah, again, it's like those in radishes. You get a quick harvest, and then you can just continue it with sowing some more over the following months, and you never have to buy any ever again. And lettuce is perfect for March sowing, and it's perfect for trays and containers, so I'll just give those a water. So next one, spinach perpetual. So I'm going to put 3 in each pot, push them down. Actually, I'll put 4, put 1 in the middle. I'll get those all filled up, cover them up a little bit, and then I'll give them water. The thing is with spinach, it can handle cooler temperatures as well. Obviously, we're getting into spring. Yes, we can have warm days, but we can also still have frost, so spinach is fine with that. And it'll survive both well in the greenhouse and outside. And you get a relatively quick harvest with it as well. So in this, I'm going to start sowing some tomatoes. These ones are going to stay in the greenhouse, even for germination. So I'm doing it as a bit of an experiment. I'll also be germinating some in the house as well as backup, but you know, I may not need them. So first one I'm going to do is Marmande. Put 3 equally spaced apart. Push them down. Consoluto Fiorentino. So if anyone's grown those before, if you can leave in the comments what they were like, what the taste was like. First time I've done them, so interesting to see. And again, 3 in each pot. Push them down. And I'm going to do a full row of these ones. First time I've had them, and I've some of the other ones I've had before, so I'm not doing as many. And I will be germinating some in the house as well, just as backup. Hopefully not required, but like anything, I think gardening, you kind of need to have that backup. And it's not specific to the UK. Weather's unpredictable all over the globe. So another one that I've done before, Golden Queen. Don't need to tell you. 3 in each one, equally spaced apart. Push them down. Next one we're going to do, San Marzano. First time growing these ones as well. I'm going to do a full row of these. I've heard lots of good things about these. Great for pasta sauces. I like cooking and eating a lot of pasta in the house, so anything that means I don't have to buy a pasta sauce, I'll definitely give that a try. So 3 in each one. Just push them down. And the last one is Tigerella. Grown these before, so I'll do another 3 pots of that, and then we'll cover them up, give them more water. And the things with tomatoes, especially in the UK, you need to get ahead of the game. It's a bit like peppers. If you can sow them early and get them germinated and get the plant going before you get into summer, then you can have a nice harvest throughout summer. But if you don't, sometimes your plants are fruiting too late. Late's better than never. So, but yeah, again, gardeners always try and find a way to sow early and eat early. So first row is all going to be Rambo purple radishes. Family loves radishes, and the thing is with radishes, they're probably, like I said with lettuces, they're super quick to harvest. They germinate so quickly, and if anybody's thinking about starting up gardening, if you want something and you want to see it quick, start with radishes, so you get a nice good early harvest. So I'm going to put them in little clumps of 3, but I'm going to put 3 clumps in each pot. Cool, so we'll just get that row finished off. So next we're going to go with the kale, Nero de Toscana. First time I've grown this, so I'm going to do a full row of that. Sprinkle, I don't know, 8 to 10 across the top of the pot. And the last is another kale, but this is Kale Red Russian. I've grown this before. Kale crisps are really nice, just in the oven for a long time but at very low heat. I wouldn't say they're super healthy, but they're a lot healthier than crisps, and then give them a water. And you see people, I mean, they'll plant hundreds and hundreds of these, the different varieties. I'm just in a garden at my home, so I've got an allotment plot, so I haven't got loads and loads of land, so I just do enough that me and the family can use and eat and then enjoy over the summer months. So today I've grown tomatoes, sweet corn, lettuce, spinach, kale and radishes. Some of it, and I'll show you what it looks like now. So these are the tomatoes. So they're right at the top of my mini greenhouse. And I've also, these trays here don't come with lids. These are lids off storage boxes that I had already. So I'm giving them a little bit more protection. The things like spinach and lettuce, I'm just going to let them germinate outside in the greenhouse. The kale and the radishes, they're inside a little storage box just to give them a little extra help. And the sweet corn, that's at the top of the mini greenhouse, the second mini greenhouse. So in a few weeks' time, I'll show you the results of how everything's getting on. So we can see if these little mini greenhouses are still continuing to deliver, because they've done well so far. And if you're growing any vegetables this spring, let us know what you're sowing in March, and we can share our results, and I'll share the results of this experiment together. Okay, so if you can like and subscribe, that'd be amazing, and I'll catch you in the next one.